Well, hello, welcome back. I am kind of out and about for this video, but I am super excited about something that I've kind of been sharing about lately. It is something that I have been thinking about for a while for ourselves, but a lot of our clients have done this and I'm super excited to be a part of it. So I am joining you from one of our clients, actually my mom. That's why I got to be such a big part of this journey, and it's super exciting because the very first guests are coming. They bought a house down here in Inglewood, and it is very close to the beach. It's less than 5 miles, and they are using it primarily for a VRBO. Now, there are lots of clients that we have that want to buy second homes here, and this is just the best idea ever because you can come down here and enjoy your home, and at the times when you're not here up north, wherever, you can rent it out and make really good money. So I am going to just give you a quick exclusive look at some of the things that we've done here before the first guests arrived. I'm just super excited about this project. So I'm going to give you a little tour. Here we go. Okay, so this is coming in from the front door. I will show you the outside of the home. Nice big living room. Spacious. It was awesome because this home came fully furnished with all this very cute beachy furniture. We added a lot of other things to it to just make it a little bit more homey. Some of the things that I put together for her are some of these types of things like checkout instructions, did a little framed thing here. And then I also made this, and I'm going to do a whole nother video on it, but this is my little guidebook that I made for her. And, it kind of gives welcome information about the host and of course us, because we can be your go-to people down here because we are locals, some of the best restaurants. There's lots of other awesome things in here, but I will share that with you later. Another gift that I got for her is a little welcome gift or a welcome guest book so that people can kind of share their experiences and what their favorite part was. This is the kitchen. The kitchen came with just about everything that you need, which is awesome. Of course, we have our sweet koozies here for when you're ready for a cold drink out on the beach or out in the backyard. We have some little welcome goodies here. Everything that you should need. I really help her put everything together for this. So it's super exciting to me. All right, so this is the kitchen. We're gonna go back. There's 3 bedrooms back here. She was super smart and added some bunk beds in one of the room for more extra room for people to sleep. Guest bathroom. So here are the bunk beds that she added so that you can technically have probably 3 more people in here. Just a little guest room. Have added the cutest little decor here, and I just loved helping her out with all of this. It's just kind of a beachy theme. Out here is just a closet here, another bedroom that could sleep 3 as well. We've got a nice big queen size bed here, and then another single over there. And then kind of the master bedroom, I guess, with a nice big queen size bed. And then this one has a bathroom in here as well. It's a nice big tiled shower. And then I will take you back to the best part of this home, and you would not believe she's just gonna make such good money here, and it's so amazing. So back here is the backyard, no pool yet, but the best little area to enjoy Florida nights after going to the beach. A nice big fan here. There's a little fire pit straight ahead. It is blocked off for privacy with a nice big fence. This is the coolest part right here. There is a putting green here. We have golf clubs included for you so that when you want to go out golfing at one of our many options of courses here, you can go golfing as well. There is also a nice little grill here included. So there's cute little lighting here for at night, and it's just so peaceful back here, and it's such a nice quiet area. So a great way for anyone to kind of enjoy their Florida stay here before they're ready to make the complete move. Okay, so thank you so much for coming on that tour with me. I need to take these off. I love them, but they're just crazy. I am so excited for her about this, and I'm excited to follow along with the journey and share it with you and share all of the profits and all the pros and the cons of deciding to get into VRBO. And I will tell you that the very first day that she put it on VRBO, she got like 3 or 4 bookings right away. And so that was super exciting. You know, a big time to do the VRBOs here is during our season, our busy season. But she is getting lots of bookings during the summertime as well. So it's super exciting. It's a great investment. And I'm just super excited to just be on this journey. So stay tuned for updates, and we will catch you on the next one.